Ladies and gentlemen, in today's thought-provoking discussion, we will explore a fascinating topic that has captured the attention of many: the changing nature of people and the prophetic insights offered by the Bible regarding this transformation. Join me as we delve into the profound realization that people are indeed beginning to change, just as the Bible foretold. My friends, as I conclude this motivational and inspiring speech, I would like to urge you to listen until the end, as I want to assure you that by embracing the wisdom behind, you will undoubtedly reap numerous benefits in your life. Throughout history, humanity has experienced various shifts and transformations. Societies have evolved, cultures have adapted, and individuals have grown and developed. However, there seems to be a unique and profound shift taking place in recent times, a shift that many believe aligns with the biblical prophecies. The Bible, a sacred text revered by millions around the world, serves as a source of guidance, wisdom, and foresight. Within its pages, we find passages that speak to the changing nature of people and the world. It offers insights into the human condition and provides clues about the signs of the times. As we witness the events unfolding in our world today, we cannot help but notice the significant shifts in attitudes, beliefs, and values. People are questioning long-held traditions and conventions. They are seeking deeper meaning, purpose, and authenticity in their lives. This quest for truth and spiritual fulfillment is leading individuals to embark on personal journeys of self-discovery and transformation. The Bible itself provides glimpses into this phenomenon. It speaks of a time when hearts and minds will be awakened, when individuals will turn away from ignorance and embrace knowledge, when compassion and empathy will prevail over indifference and selfishness. These prophecies convey the message that a profound transformation is underway, both on an individual and collective level. One of the key factors driving this change is the increasing accessibility of information and the ability to connect with diverse perspectives. The digital age has opened up avenues for communication and knowledge sharing like never before. People from all walks of life can now access a wealth of information, engage in meaningful conversations, and explore different belief systems. This newfound access to information is empowering individuals to question the status quo, challenge long-held beliefs, and seek a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them. As a result, we are witnessing a shift towards more inclusive, compassionate, and open-minded attitudes. People are embracing diversity, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings, and striving for a more harmonious existence. Additionally, the changing dynamics of our world and the challenges we face as a global community are also playing a significant role in this transformation. Environmental concerns, social injustices, and geopolitical tensions have sparked a collective awakening, urging individuals to take responsibility and be agents of positive change. The Bible's prophecies encourage us to reflect on these changes and recognize the importance of embracing this transformative period. They remind us of our individual and collective responsibility to contribute to a more compassionate, just, and harmonious world. They call upon us to cultivate love, understanding, and empathy in our interactions with others. As we navigate this era of change, it is essential to approach it with an open mind and a discerning heart. Let us seek wisdom and guidance from the sacred texts, drawing inspiration from the teachings of love, compassion, and unity. Let us also engage in meaningful conversations with others, respecting diverse perspectives and finding common ground. But moreover, let us remember that change begins with each one of us. We are the agents of change, and our actions, choices, and intentions can have a ripple effect on the world around us. By embodying the values and principles espoused in the Bible and other spiritual teachings, we can contribute to the positive transformation of ourselves and society at large. As we conclude this discussion, it is important to remember that change can be both challenging and rewarding. It requires self-reflection, courage, and a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones. Embracing personal transformation can be a transformative and liberating experience, leading us to a deeper understanding of ourselves and our purpose in life. However, it is also crucial to approach this topic with an open mind and respect for diverse perspectives. While the Bible provides valuable insights into the changing nature of people, it is essential to recognize that interpretations may vary. Different individuals and communities may have unique understandings of these prophecies and their implications in the modern world. Engaging in respectful and thoughtful dialogue can enrich our understanding and foster a sense of unity amidst our differences. By seeking common ground and focusing on shared values, we can build bridges of understanding and contribute to a more inclusive and harmonious society. Ultimately, the realization that people are beginning to change, as indicated by the Bible and other spiritual teachings, invites us to reflect on our own lives and the choices we make. It encourages us to embrace personal growth, compassion, and a sense of responsibility towards ourselves and others. Let us remember that change starts within each one of us. By embodying the principles of love, kindness, and empathy, we can create a ripple effect that extends beyond ourselves and positively impacts the world around us. Through our actions and interactions, we have the power to inspire others and contribute to a more compassionate and enlightened society. In conclusion, the recognition that people are beginning to change, as foretold by the Bible, invites us to embrace personal transformation, engage in meaningful dialogue, and cultivate a sense of unity amidst our diversity. Let us navigate this era of change with open hearts and minds, guided by the timeless principles of love, compassion, and justice. Thank you for joining me in this exploration, and may we all continue to evolve, grow, and contribute to a world of positive change and spiritual awakening.